Started. This one, first one is they have asked this clinical diagnosis. So you can see this is the orbital inflammation and it is structure called orbital cellulitis. Next image with question, trochlea attach which part of the ulna? So trochlear notch of the ulna. Next one, they have given this bone. This is the sacrum bone, and they have asked this structure is the secondary cartilaginous fusion. Next one, they have given this pink feathery crystals. This is the Takayama crystals, and which one used test to detect is Takayama test and the hemochromogen test. Next one, they have asked this structure. So this is the, you can see here the beginning of the scapula, and which is called the open book like structure. So this is mainly present in the torticollis. So this is beginning of the scapula, which one present in the torticollis disease. Next one, they have given this structure, this image. So this is the LMA procele and irreducible second generation ARP offering physician. Then the peace of mind of gastric access and high seal pressure and patient feel comfort. So this is the LMA procele. So next one, you can see they have given this image. This is the eardrum. So here they have the inflamed, they have asked the inflamed part. This is the extra osseous plasmacytoma. Next one, they have given this image. So this is the copper T 380. And next one, they will give this the computer tomography of the optic nerve. So in this mainly pathology presents of the gliomas. Next one, questions from the microbiology. So they have asked this image. This is the trichuriasis. Next one, so in this structure you can see this is the erythema on the face. Next one, in this diagram you can see this is the pathology of the retina. So this is the retinoblastoma. In this image you can see this is the inflammation of the breast, which is called the mastitis. Next one, you can see here the deformity of the nail, this which is present in the bronchiectasis, and it is also called the yellow nail syndrome. Next one, you can see here this is present the Bouchard nodes, which one present in the osteoarthritis. Next one, you can see this is here the degeneration of the enamel, and yellow color of the teeth, which one present in the amylogenesis imperfecta. Next one, you can see this is the phenomena. This is called the Ronald phenomena. Next one, they have given this catheter. So this is the silicone nephrostomy balloon catheter. Now that they are given the histology image of this. So mainly this is present, this is red color cells, they are the RBCs, and one blue colors of nucleus is the monocyte. Now they have given this the humerus bone. So they have asked, this is red arrow, this is the deltoid tuberosity of the humerus bone. Next one, you can see they have given this both image, and they have asked, so this is the condyloma acuminata, which have a cauliflower like appearance. So you can see here the cauliflower like appearance present both picture. Next one, acoustic shadow is produced by calculus, air, fluid, fat. So acoustic shadow is produced by the air or wind. So correct answer is B, air. Next one, they have asked about this contraception medicine. So this is the Serrahalli, which one the compositions of the ormeloxifene and the xanthochromone. Dosage is 30 mg. Mechanism of action, the inhibitor of the implantation. First 3 months, and second week and the first week. So next one, they have given this image again. So this is the RBCs, red one cells, and which one present the round nucleus, blue colors of nucleus. This is the melanocytes. Last one, they have asked, they have given this image. So because I am not sure about this image, but I think this is the presentation of the achalasia cardia, because in this image I have seen in lower speech center narrowing. So this is the achalasia cardia.